Finally, a long-lasting solution for your aging, fading plastic trim pieces on your car that seemingly get worse every year. Just because your car is getting older and the exterior parts are fading doesn't mean it has to look that way. Transhine is now applying a revolutionary plastic and rubber treatment that rejuvenates and restores plastic trim. Traditional treatments are temporary and will quickly wear off. This new ceramic plastic treatment makes those old gray parts look like new, and beyond that, they will stay like new for up to a year. The results are amazing. The plastics are restored to their original color, and the ceramic technology will last long after several months of washing. Quartz Deluxe Plastic Protectant doesn't attract dust like the traditional dressings. Only available at Transhine. Upgrade your package and opt for the best solution to restoring your car's appearance. Take years off the age of your car